This is a demonstration of Teamcenter 12 and Active Workspace 4 running natively on cloud. Perform all activities in Active Workspace like opening different items and perform 3D CAD visualization and modeling within the browser. The 3D visualization like model rotation, zoom, and pan are processed on Teamcenter. Application server and stream to the AppStream Client Machine for rendering, we can also calculate measurements between different points on the 3D assembly model in the visualization window of the workspace. Users can also initiate workflow and follow the sign-off process by triggering a workflow and assign reviewers. Participating users will then receive a workflow notification and the design review process starts. The designer can finish modeling the assembly and submit for peer review. The reviewer can then verify the latest assembly changes and approve the design and approve the sign-off, or reject the design and submit it back to the designer for modifications. Users can also find items by using the search area on the Workspace Landing Page, which retrieves item information from the item indexing service. Item attachments like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint documents can be directly opened from within the Active Workspace due to the integration with Microsoft Office 365 suite. All changes carried out in the Office applications will be saved in the attachment on Teamcenter.